Question number 7. A car of mass 1200 kg, mass is given and momentum P is given. What is the kinetic energy? Very easy formula. So kinetic energy is given by the formula half mv square. But unfortunately v is not known. So what I will do? I will write this as half into mv square into m divided by m. So these two will cancel. Why am I doing it? Because m into m becomes m square. Okay, when I do this, just a moment you will get to know. This will be half into m becomes m square. This will become m square v square divided by m. What is m into v? Momentum. This should be momentum square divided by 2m. Now I need not do anything. I just need to calculate p over here. So what is p is already given to you, momentum. So what I will do is I will write kinetic energy is equal to, for p it is 18 into 10 cube the whole square divided by 2 into, what is the mass? 1200. I'll write 12 into 10 square. I'll write like this. Okay, when I do this, it becomes easy for me to calculate. So let us take this calculator here. Okay, so therefore I have 18 square. 18 square would be 18 star 18, which should be 324. So I'll write this as 324 multiplied by 10 cube whole square should be 10 power 6. 10 power 6 divided by 2 into 12 is 24. 24 into 10 square. Okay, let us simplify this also. So I get 324 divided by 24 should be 13.5. 13.5 multiplied by 10 power 6 divided by 10 square will be 10 power 4, which should now be equal to 13.5, which should be 135 into 10 cube, and this should be around 135 kilojoules. So the answer is CO here.